You've heard it everywhere. AI is taking over the world, but here's the truth. There's some careers that AI just can't replace. And if you're in one of these jobs, your future is still very human. I'm Mark, a real estate broker, and I see how technology has been transforming these industries, and AI has everybody nervous that they're going to take over. But I've also seen the jobs that thrive because of trust, human trust, creativity, and human connection, and why the best in these fields will still need to master AI. First, real estate agents and brokers like myself. AI can price homes, but it can't walk a nervous couple through their first purchase. Real estate is very emotional. You have to build trust, you have to learn how to negotiate, and you have to have intuition to make your client comfortable and get them the best service they need. And that's not something you can automate. There's a lot of pieces to it that you can automate, but not that human connection. Number two, therapists and counselors. Sure, AI can suggest coping strategies, but it still doesn't understand heartbreak or grief. People want to be heard and understood, not analyzed. That's what makes therapy so deeply human. So your shrink isn't going to go anywhere soon. Number three, and this is a big one, the skilled trades, electricians, plumbers, carpenters, HVAC people. Try getting a robot to repair a leaking pipe or even find out where that leaking pipe is. These jobs require experience, problem solving, skill, things that AI, not in my lifetime, I don't believe, will be able to replace. So if you're a skilled tradesperson, you're doing fantastic. Number four, and this one is, we're not quite sure, but attorneys and negotiators. My wife's a real estate attorney, and we look at AI as an asset. AI can summarize a contract. It can't read body language in a mediation or sense when to push back in a negotiation. The best lawyers don't just argue law, they read people. So law is going to stay pretty much run by the attorneys with the help of AI in the foreseeable future. Number five, teachers and educators. AI can deliver lessons, but it can't inspire students. We were just walking by a school at 5:30 at night, and a couple of the teachers are leaving. And for the past 20 years, it's the same teachers that are leaving late. They get in there early, they leave late. These are the great teachers. And there's many of them. But a great teacher can motivate, can mentor, can spark curiosity, and that's very important. That's something only a human can do. Remember that human connection. Healthcare professionals, doctors, nurses, caregivers. AI can scan an x-ray, but it can't calm a scared patient and comfort a family in a healthcare crisis. Technology helps, but compassion is what's most important. The creative professionals, the writers, the designers, the filmmakers are going to have so much opportunity if they embrace AI instead of trying to fight AI. AI can remix what's already existing, but it doesn't feel, dream, or struggle. Real creativity comes from experience and emotion, the parts of the human being that machines just don't have. Number eight, sales professionals. AI can recommend products, but it can't build trust. Sales isn't just persuasion, it's connection. The best salespeople don't sell products. They sell confidence. They get you to understand the products, and they help you decide what are the best ones for you. Number nine, leaders and entrepreneurs. AI can analyze data, but it can't lead people through uncertainty. Leadership is about courage, intuition, and vision, and those aren't downloadable skills. And number 10, first responders. AI can dispatch, but it can't run into a burning building. It can predict crime, but it can't protect someone in the moment. These jobs are powered by instinct, not algorithms. Does the future belong to AI? I think the future belongs to AI-empowered people. AI won't replace you, but it will change the game. AI will redefine many industries. Teachers who use AI will teach better. Real estate agents who use AI will get deals done quicker. Entrepreneurs who leverage it will lead further. The winners aren't the ones competing with AI, they're the ones partnering with it. So tell me what you think. Drop your career in the comments below and tell me how you're using AI to stay ahead. I've got more breakdowns coming on business, real estate, and the future of work. Please, if you like what you're hearing, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. I appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.